Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to either enable or disable the ability for web page to be navigated with a text cursor in the Microsoft Edge web browser. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up the Edge browser. And then dito lang sa top right corner, and then i-click mo lang tong 3 dot icon. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung settings. And then dito sa settings, left side menu, and then scroll down. And then select mo lang dito yung accessibility, so click mo lang siya. And then dito sa accessibility, scroll down at hanapin natin yung keyboard. Alright, so ito siya. Okay, so dito sa keyboard, under nito ay makikita mo kaagad dito yung navigate page with a text cursor. Okay? So, turn on or off Caret Browsing. Pwede mo gawin yung keyboard shortcut na press 7. Alright? So, dito na sa website, ay kailangan mo lang itong enable, naka-enable siya, or kung gusto mo namang i-disable, select mo lang itong button ito, ganito siya. Alright? So, napakasimple lang talaga. Wala nang iba pang option setting na gagawin, kundi enable or disable mo siya. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin enable or disable ang navigate page with a text cursor in Microsoft Edge. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.